This section we are going to learn how to create the pattern like this AABB. Unhide the sheet like this, right click and you will see that option unhide, and you can select which sheet you need to unhide and select that and press OK. This is the temporary page which we use to create the seating pattern, and this is pattern number 1. So I'm going to write it for our identification. It is pattern number 1, and then below we have pattern number 2. And now I am going to create pattern number 3 again below this. Let's add this option in the detail page. Here we have 2 options. Again I'm going to add this below. Just copy it and paste below. Since we have copied the checkbox, it just links directly to that particular cell, so it's need not to worry about that. So when you press check one, another will uncheck automatically because it all been linked to one cell. This is the main temporary page which controls all the patterns which we have used. Now copy the cells which I am copying here till 48 and then paste it below the pattern 2. So the pattern 3 is going to be taken from pattern 2 itself. So just delete the cell till 24. And the group on students need to be pasted in the first 24 cells. And next 24 cells I am going to take the students from the group 2. So just give different colors to both of the group of cells. And now start with equal to and bring the group on students using equal to formula, and then drag that till 24 cells. Now let's bring the second group equal to and get the students from the group 2 cell which is above. Drag it to the right to bring the hall ticket number and drag it down to get all the students from group 2. That's it, one step is over. Since we have copied the cells from above, it is showing the error. So now I am going to rectify those errors. Now when you select this particular cell, it is showing AA70, AA117, but it must be actually AA129 to AA176. And also change temp A61 value to temp A2. The same thing which we have did earlier. Here change V70 to V129. And for the hall ticket number, change W70 to W129. And you're done, and we have got all the values from group 1 and from group 2. Now let's proceed to the next section. Copy the pattern 2 and just paste it below this. And now apply the formula here using equal to, and first I am going to fill column 1, then column 2, So I'm going to get the names now. So equal to and select the first hall ticket number and then drag it down till row number 6. So when you see that the last one is EZ 134, the next must be 135. So type equal to EZ 135, press enter and then drag it down. So we have got the column 1 and column 3. Now it must be 141. So type equal to 141. Just drag it down. So we have got the column 2. Now it must be followed by column 4 and then drag it down. And we have done and we have completed for all the 24 seats in this hall. And this is the temp page, and we need to bring our changes into effect here. We have pattern 1 and pattern 2, and I'm going to add the formula for pattern 3. So I'm going to edit that same formula. Just delete the last part of the formula and add the pattern 3 as follows now. If you have patterns more than this, if you have 4-5 patterns, you can add those patterns in this place. Have completed it for hall 1, now do it for hall 2. So before doing that, go to the temp seating page and you need to copy the changes which you have made for pattern 3 into all the halls. So just copy the region below that 48. So this is the change which we have made today. So just copy what you have made today. So I'm going to copy this till the pattern 3. And I'm going to paste it there. Do the same for all of the halls, just paste it below that number 48. After this, apply the formula and update the formula in the temp page for all other 12 halls by editing the last part of the formula using if and pattern is equal to 3, then select the values from that particular cell which is in temp seating 1. So while selecting, make sure that you are selecting from the right hall. If it is hall 1, it must be from H1. So check it, you have that above H2. So exactly select below that or else you will face an error while seating the students. And we have done for hall 2, just drag it down and to the right. Repeat the same thing for all other halls. And well done. And here is the seating for the multipurpose hall. Here you could see some red, that is the remaining students need to be placed. So I'm going to add those 8 students making it to 39 and these 13 students making it to 48. And again these 16 students making it to 39. That's it, everything turned green. So these are the automated formulas which we have used and using conditional formatting. I hope you enjoyed this section, and the link for the download of this template is available in the description. And if you want your own seating template to be designed, you can also send a mail or you can WhatsApp me. Now I am going to check the print preview of the same now. So this seating template saves your time. You can take the printout or you can save it as PDF. So it is very easy to use and you can change the design anywhere, so it is more reliable than the software. See you in the next section.